Juicy, succulent shrimp, fresh veggies, all in a spicy Thai green curry sauce. This quick and easy dinner recipe is packed full of flavor. Alright you guys, so these are the few ingredients you will need. You want to make sure to have everything out and chopped up because this skillet recipe, it comes together in less than 5 minutes. Now in a lightly oiled pan, I'm sauteing 2 cloves of garlic with a small bunch of cut up green onions, and my favorite, this is 1 sliced up red bell pepper. If it's your first time here on my channel, welcome. Be sure to subscribe and click that notifications bell. I post quick and easy recipes like this one today every single week. Now moving on, once the garlic and onions are nice and fragrant, go ahead with the star of this dish. This right here, you guys, is Thai green curry paste. Now for those of you who haven't tried it, you have been missing out. This little bottle is truly one of the most flavorful mixture of ingredients you will ever try. It's a combination of different green chilies with a variety of spices. I'm going to be adding 4 ounces to the pan, and once it's nicely heated through, add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and 2 spoonfuls of brown sugar. Now lastly, add the second star of this dish. This is 1 can of coconut milk, and this will really balance out the spiciness of that green curry, which I actually forgot to mention. Now that I think about it, you probably should know that this green curry paste is extremely spicy, so adjust it to your liking, okay you guys? Lastly, go ahead and add about 1.5 pounds of shrimp. Make sure to devein them, and these still have the tail on, but it's just for looks. Now you know how fast shrimp cook, so after about a minute, turn off the heat and add some fresh basil. Oh my goodness, wow, look at that. I wish you guys could smell this. This makes the all-time best dinner party dish because not only is it so quickly thrown together, but the flavorful explosion of this dish will truly blow everybody away. Serve this up obviously with some jasmine rice. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.